Cast on 28 stitches, rib stitch for a total of 14 rows, which is 1 knit, 1 purl. Change your needle to size 4mm and stocking stitch for 20 rows, which is 1 row of knitting and 1 row of purl. 7 rows of decreasing, and then you're done. Sew it up and your mitten is ready. This has been such a fun project. I've really enjoyed it. And it feels fabulous to be able to knit both in the space of 2.5 hours. Quick, easy, you'll have this done in no time at all. I hope you enjoy it. Cast on a total of 28 stitches and knit in the rib stitch pattern for 14 rows. It's a very quick and easy stitch. Knit 1, yarn to the front and towards you, and purl 1. And you continue all the way to the end. Using a size 4 needle, you're going to stocking stitch, which is 1 row knit, 1 row purl, for a total of 20 rows or 6 centimetres. Once you've completed 20 rows of stocking stitch, it's time to start decreasing. Start with a knit 4, 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, and then to decrease we knit 2 stitches together. Continue that all the way to the end. Row number 2 of our decreasing is purl. Purl all the way to the end. Row 3 of our decreasing, we knit 3, knit 3, and then we knit 2 stitches together. And you continue that all the way to the end. The next row is a purl row. Purl all the way to the end. Row number 5 is knit 2, knit 2 together. And you continue all the way to the end. Our next row is a purl row, and we're going to decrease on this row. Purl 1, purl 2 stitches together. Continue all the way to the end. The final row in our decreasing of the mittens is knit 2. Knit 2 together all the way to the end. With the remaining stitches on the needle, we're going to get a tapestry needle and sew the edges together because our mittens are nearly completed. Gently place the remaining stitches onto a tapestry needle. Turn your project inside out, and we're going to gently sew the seams together. I like to reinforce the top, so I'll put just a quick stitch here. Perfect. Then gently pick up a few stitches and sew together. This is looking fantastic. I'm very, very happy with this one. turn your mitten inside out. Fantastic. That looks wonderful. You could give this to a friend or donate it to a worthy cause. This has been such a fun project. I think I'm going to make another pair. Loved it. I hope you enjoy it as well.